Relax, sweetie. I'll have dinner ready in no time.
Our biggest sales event of the year, and the one you don't want to miss.
And I actually asked them if they would be willing to videotape it for me, to use it as an educational tool.
This is Megan, and she isn't letting her metastatic HER2-positive breast cancer stop her from living. Megan is a fighter, but she isn't just fighting for herself. She's fighting for her family. She's fighting for more birthdays, more holidays, more time for firsts, and more memories that she'll never forget. Because she's regularly receiving Taxotere, Herceptin, and Perjeta, she'll hopefully have more time for all of it. Side effects of these medications can include headache, nausea, hair loss, muscle or joint pain.
Hey, Beth, wake up. Those are just the immediate side effects. You need to know about the long-term ones too. I get it. You're only focused on beating cancer right now. These medications can lead to serious side effects down the road. But don't take it from me. I'm just an actress. Here's a real oncologist who specializes in treating breast cancer.
Beth, she's right. I'm Dr. Hopte, a medical oncologist. HER2 positive accounts for about 25% of all breast cancers. But most importantly, we have effective ways to treat it. This makes me very optimistic that we're going to be able to control your disease. We do this with drugs that target the HER2 protein, Herceptin and Perjeta, and a type of chemotherapy called Taxotere. We're also aware that these targeting medications can damage your heart, causing the muscle to become weak and potentially fail. If it happens, your doctor may not be able to continue you on these medications. I'll let Dr. Cody tell you more about that.
Hi Beth, I'm cardiologist Dr. Cody. The chemo you're on does a great job killing breast cancer cells, but unfortunately it may kill healthy heart cells. Also, Herceptin, one of the targeting agents you're on, can prevent the heart from healing itself, and it may eventually lead to it giving out. Thankfully, if it's detected early, there are medications that can help.
See, Beth, I might be a breast cancer expert, but I'm not an expert of the heart.
And I'm a heart expert, but not a cancer expert.
And I'm still an actress.
That's why we're working together. We're seeking a way for HER2 positive patients to continue on their medications, while also avoiding heart problems.
Okay, so how do you do that?
The medical community does this through clinical trials. These are closely monitored studies done in the safest and most ethical way possible, so we can improve treatment with new medicines and methods of care.
Some pharmaceutical company trial?
Well, that's one type of trial, but there's many different types. The cancer trials we conduct are taxpayer-funded, designed and run by doctors, and patients volunteer for them. Our trials are supported by the National Cancer Institute, which is part of the National Institutes of Health.
In these trials, doctors, nurses, scientists, statisticians, and other experts collaborate to answer important questions so we can improve the outcomes of all our patients.
Are you running a trial for patients like me?
Yes, it's SWOG's S1501, and it's being offered in nearly 100 hospitals and clinics across the country.
In S1501, some HER2-positive breast cancer patients will be given a blood pressure medication, carvedilol, while receiving treatment. We hope this will allow patients like you to continue their cancer medications longer and thus increasing your chances for survival.
Plus, it gives us a better idea of how common heart damage is in breast cancer patients who are at risk for developing heart issues and who are taking medications to target the HER2 protein.
By enrolling in this trial, I'd be helping other HER2 positive patients?
It would help us answer questions that we don't currently have the answers for. But if the trial is positive, it might mean carvedilol can be helpful for patients with other types of breast cancers.
For more information, visit cancer.gov and ask your doctor if S1501 is an appropriate trial for you.
I'm enrolling in S1501 not just for myself, but for all the other women in the future who will be diagnosed with HER2 positive breast cancer.
Did my doctor ever say anything about a clinical trial?
I don't think so.